Every day, millions of job postings, university syllabi, and corporate memos move across the globe. Beneath them all is the exact same blank digital canvas. Before this digital infrastructure existed, producing a professional document meant loading physical paper into a typewriter. If a page had an error or needed to reach 50 different desks, the entire drafting process was repeated by hand. Microsoft Word filled this technical void. By the mid-1990s, its inclusion in the Microsoft Office suite gave anyone with a PC a dedicated digital environment for generating text that could be saved, copied, and edited instantly. Word achieved this level of adoption by systematically solving the distinct bottlenecks of academia, corporate data, and team collaboration. The first major domain it captured was the classroom. University computer labs turned Word into the default environment for taking notes, submitting assignments, and formatting long-form research papers. Looking at this feature map, text formatting allowed students to create structured documents. The built-in spell check replaced manual proofreading, automatically flagging typos with red lines. Finally, the template section provided a structural foundation for essays, ensuring a polished look. By stripping away the friction of layout and copy editing, the software allowed students and educators to focus entirely on the actual content of their writing. Moving over to the corporate sector requires a different set of tools. For a word processor to be viable in commerce, it has to be able to organize and present structural data alongside paragraphs. Looking again at our feature diagram, the tables and charts function addressed this. Businesses could embed quantitative data into a report to organize complex information visually. Then there is mail merge, solving the logistical headache of bulk corporate communication. Faster, more energetic pace. Instead of typing 50 separate letters, a user creates one primary document template and connects it to a spreadsheet of contact data. The software injects each row of data, names, addresses, account numbers, into the blank fields, generating thousands of individualized files in seconds. MailMerge integrated data handling directly into the document, turning Word into a piece of active, scalable business infrastructure. Even with deep adoption in schools and offices, there was still the logistical challenge of group editing. Multiple people trying to revise a single document often resulted in lost data and conflicting versions. Here in the collaboration section of the map, we see how Word addressed group friction. Features like track changes and built-in commenting gave teams the ability to asynchronously propose edits, leave notes, and approve or reject revisions line by line. By digitizing the traditional process of physical red pen markups, the software standardized how modern organizations collaborate on complex ideas. When you combine these specialized features across academia and business, you get a significant jump in individual productivity. Tasks that once took hours of manual drafting and routing are reduced to a few keystrokes. The software's primary strength is its scalability. A user can open this exact same interface to jot down a simple note, format a specialized corporate contract, or typeset an entire book. This versatility has made Word proficiency a baseline requirement for the modern workforce. Employers across almost every industry expect new hires to produce polished, professional documents as a standard part of their role. Mastering the software has become a form of professional literacy, providing the technical vocabulary used in offices and classrooms around the world.